Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make DIY desk organizer from old cardboard boxes. Let me tell you one thing before getting into the video. I did my previous videos in Malayalam. Recently, I'm getting comments to do the videos in English or Hindi. So thought of doing this video in English. And I know that I'm not much fluent in English, but I'll try to explain what I'm doing in the video. So I look forward to your continued support and love. Now let's get into the video. To make this multi-purpose organizer, we need a shoe box, and I have taken these two small biscuit boxes. This is completely optional. And we also need a box like this. You can also take a cereal box and some extra cardboard pieces like this. First we need to make file organizer, and you could see a line I have drawn in the box, and we need to cut along that. Now I have drawn a line over this box, and I have cut into two small boxes and two big boxes. And in this we'll be organizing our sketch pens, color pencils, etc. You may also take plastic bottles or disposable glasses instead of this box. Next, we want to remove the lid of the shoe box. But don't throw it, we'll be using it now. And remove the sides of the lid. And now we want to cover this area and open this area. After removing the side part of the shoe box, we need to close the upper part of the shoe box with the lid. Stick neatly with the cello tape. Now keep the file organizer on the shoe box like this and mark a point like this. Measure and mark the opposite side. Now draw lines on the three sides of the cardboard box. After drawing the line, cut and remove the part. And you get something like this. Next we need to add 3 drawers in it. To make the drawer, first we need to stick 5 rectangular pieces like this. Here I am not showing any measurements because we are doing it in the shoe box. So everyone will be having different sizes. You may use cello tape or glue to stick the drawer. Now we need 3 cardboard pieces like this. And when you are placing the cardboard piece inside the box, make sure that it doesn't fall down. But anyway, we'll be applying glue later. Now I'm taking out the cardboard piece. Next, I'm going to mark a point just above the drawer. Mark on both sides. You can see that it's just above the drawer. Maybe a 1/4 inch, I think. Now I'm going to glue the piece of cardboard according to the marked point. I just put the first drawer. Now keep the second drawer on the cardboard piece that we pasted earlier, then mark a point just above the drawer. Take out the drawer and glue the second cardboard piece. After that, place the second drawer again. Now repeat the step for the third drawer. Now it's time to decorate the multi-purpose desk organizer. You may use any printed decorative sheets to make it more beautiful. And if you don't have anything at your home, don't worry, watch the video carefully and decorate your desk organizer. I'm covering with white A4 size paper, but we'll make more beautiful by adding black color on it. And that's done. Moving on to the drawers. We'll cover it with the paper, or we'll use spray paint to make the work easier. But I am not at all satisfied with the spray paint that I used. So I'm just placing an A4 size paper at the bottom of the drawer. Also, we need to stick a cardboard piece on the front side of the drawer, and the piece should be a little bit bigger. You can see now. Cover the piece. To make it more beautiful, I took here acrylic black paint and take a plastic cover, then roll it like this. Gently dip in the paint. Now make the designs like this. Now we want to cover the file organizer. Here I am using again A4 size sheet. Did the same design on it. Covering the two small pencil holders with the black paper and the big one with the white paper. Decorating the black pencil holders with a silver washi tape. You may also use beads or make the design with white paint on black paper, which we did earlier. Here I am doing again the design on the white pencil holders. And I think this is the very simple and cheap organizer that you can make at home at this situation. And please don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Stick the piece into the front side of the drawer. You may use buttons or beads as a knob for the drawer. Now place the three drawers back. Before, we saw a lot of gaps in between the drawers, but now everything is filled because we used an extra piece. And I'm not sure that we can pull the drawer using the buttons that we keep the knob. It's just for making it more beautiful. Stick the pen holders together. Stick on the top of the organizer. And last, stick the file organizer at the side. Hope you like it. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to share with your friends and family. Even though we have not used any type of wallpaper or decorative paper, but we made it beautiful. And it doesn't take much space on your table. If you have a very small space like this, then this organizer will be very useful to you. Do try it. Keep your desk neat and organized. I shall wait for your feedbacks. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And again I'm saying, Share this video with your loved ones. See you in next video. Bye bye.